Step 1, copy this video. Step 2, upload this video. And step 3, earn tons of money. This method that we will be showing you today is unlike any other. This is still new and only a few people know about this. You can be the first one to get started with this and you can make hundreds of dollars per day by using this method. What you're going to do is just copy and paste some videos. You do not need to have any prior video experience or expertise, no need to appear on camera, and you don't even have to speak into a microphone. And just imagine sitting at your computer and earning hundreds of dollars every day to assist your family improve their vehicle or apartment, or even travel around the world. This is all possible. All you have to do is watch this video from the beginning to the end and pay close attention. Because if you don't and miss even one step, then this method will not work as intended. This method that I will introduce to you is accessible worldwide. Even if you are on the other side of the world, you can still do this. You only need a smartphone or a laptop to start off. You don't need any special skills or past experiences, and even a beginner can do this and earn money right away. And have I told you that this method is 100% free? You do not need to pay for any subscription to start with this method. All you need is to invest a little bit of your time and energy, and you are good to go. Let me remind you that this method will not make you a millionaire overnight. You still need to do the hard work and devote part of your time. And considering that this method is free, then it is all worth it. Now, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. I want you to go to rumble.com. This is a website similar to YouTube wherein you can watch different videos every day. A lot of creators are also present on this platform and they post videos every day. The best part about this website is you can get paid for each video that you upload. As you can see here, you will see a list of videos that are earning each day. People who upload these videos can earn as little as $1 up to $200. Imagine what one video can earn you. If we look at the website traffic on rumble.com, we can see that Rumble has monthly visitors of 131.6 million users monthly. Now that is a lot, and we can see that the top visitors of this website are from tier 1 countries like US, Canada, Australia, UK, and Germany. Now this is a great opportunity for you to make money on this website. But before we can start uploading videos, we first need to have an account on Rumble. To do that, just click on the sign in button right here and this pop-up window will appear. Find the green create a Rumble account button, which is very hard to miss. Click it and it will bring you to the registration page. You are then presented with 3 options to create an account. You can create a free account, publisher account, or business account. What we will be choosing today is a free account since you can still monetize your videos with it. After choosing the type of account, you should now fill out the form with your full name, username, password, email address, and the country that you live in. If someone referred you to this website, you can put their username on the refer section. Then you should put in your address and birthday and agree to the terms and conditions. After doing all that, you just need to click on the register button and now you have an account. You can now upload videos on this website and earn money. The next question is, what type of videos will you be uploading? We have the answer for you. On Rumble, search for the keyword dogs and cats and hit enter. It will then show you the most popular videos for these categories. We can see that they have over 100 million views and we can see how much money they have earned, which is a lot. So these are the type of videos that we will be uploading today. Another question arises, where will we get these videos? The answer is simple, youtube.com, the most popular video streaming site in the whole world. Just go to YouTube and then search for videos about dogs. We will see that there will be tons of videos about dogs and you can just choose one which you would like to upload. But before you choose one, first we need to filter the videos. On the filter option, look for Creative Commons filter and choose that. What is Creative Commons? Creative Commons give a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. If a video is marked with a Creative Commons license, other creators get to reuse your work subject to the terms of the license. This just means that the videos with the Creative Commons tag can be reused and re-uploaded without the problem of flagging it as copyright. So these are the type of videos that we will be using to upload on Rumble and earn money. It is completely free to use with no copyright strike involved. Now we just need to find a video that we want to upload on Rumble. One tip that we're going to give you is look for videos with both entertainment and education. In this situation, we find dog training videos because videos with both entertainment and education tend to do better than videos just for entertainment. For example, we choose this dog training video and we copy the link and then we just go back to Google. What you need to do is search for YouTube downloader and hit enter. Click on the first result and paste the link there. It will then allow you to download the dog training video and now you can re-upload it on Rumble. In the next part of the video, I'll show you how to upload videos on Rumble and I'll be showing you a super secret trick to earn money, so stay tuned. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now back to Rumble. To upload a video, just click on the green upload icon beside your profile and it will redirect you to this page. You can drag the video that you just downloaded on this big box right here, and once it is uploading, you can add information about this video. For the video title, you can just copy and paste the video title right here and change it a bit. Then add a short description of the video. You can then choose the thumbnail that you want or create your own. For the tags, you can put in dog training, dogs, and any tags related to the video. And then once you have done all of that, you can now upload it. But wait, before you upload it, we will show you a super secret trick to allow you to make more money on top of that. What I want you to do is go to clickbank.com. Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace where they have tons of products that you can promote and earn extra money. What we will be doing here is become an affiliate. To do that, just click on sign up button right here and sign up for a free account. Once you do that, you will now have access to their marketplace. Now on the marketplace, search for products related to dogs. So just search for dogs on the search bar right here and hit enter. And then filter it by gravity and find the most paying products. For example, this one, it will pay you out $42 for each successful referral you make. You can click on the promote icon right here to generate your own affiliate link. Now that you have your own affiliate link, you can shorten it using the website bit.ly. And what we will do with this link is put it in the video description of the video that we will be uploading. Since your video is about dog training and the product that you are promoting is related to that, you will earn twice the amount. Now just add a brief description of the product on the video description and add a link in the end. Now you're ready to upload it. Now this is a simple strategy for you to make money online without making your very own videos. On top of that, we have shown you another way of earning money, which is promoting product related to the video. Now go out there and start earning. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.